Today I'm going to show you how to build this Gorilla Cart. There are many models, but I think they're all pretty similar. The one we have here is a 170 litre steel utility cart. So let's get building it. You will need a crescent. A crescent is a spanner that you can adjust the size of. Step 1, you need to lay out all the pieces where you want them. Now that you've laid out all the pieces, it's time to start building. The first thing you'll need to do is build the structure for the wheels. The piece you'll need is this piece and this piece. For the first one, the one up there, you'll need to remove this kind of plastic stopper thing. You'll need to get the piece labelled 1, this big black circle. You'll put it there. Then you get this piece right here. You take it and slot it in there. After you do that, you'll need to take a nut, put it there. You get a screw thing, put that on. Screw it in a bit and we can tighten it up later. Now, we're on to the next piece. Take those off, get this, put it right there. And get the rest of the nuts and other things. Get them there. The next thing you do is you put on the handle thing. This right here is the handle. You'll need to go back to your piece of paper with the things in it and take out the things labelled number 2. Everything in that area. Okay, so you get this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have that sticker downward over here where the 2 holes are. Screw that on. Screw. Screw that on. Put this on, that, and then you get this and screw it on as tight as you can. Over here we have somebody hiding in the Gorilla Cart box. Right there, you see a little cat, Lacey, which is quite cool. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, it's time for the next step. The next step is to put on the wheels. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so what you'll need now is number 3. Remove everything from number 3 and get your wheels ready. Slot them on. And make sure to have this on the outside, because if it's on the inside then you won't be able to pump the wheels back up. So you lock it, put it in there, you slot in this, and then put in this, which is the locking mechanism. Pull that open, slot it in the hole in the wheel right there, and then close it back up, and then your wheel's locked in. And then you just go around and do that to all the wheels. Now that we've done all the wheels, it's time to flip it over so that we can do the rest of it. It's now time to put on the handle. What you need to do now is you need to get out everything from the 5 section. You need to get out, then get this, put this with the bin facing inward, that through the hole. Now, put that there. Put that there, and then you tighten it. Another thing to point out with this, you want it tight but not too tight, because you'll want to move this up and down. Now for the second to last step, you get this and your last 2 metal pieces, you put this on here, slot this through. Same with the wheels, you put that through there, put it down to lock it in place. And if you ever want to, you can take this out, take this out, pull this out, and then push that down. This is the last step. You get your sides, and you see how they have these slots here? There'll be slots in sides. So you put them in the slots, and then just push that up. And for that, will put it in place. Then you get the other side, and you want these hooks facing inward. So for here, get this, put that in the slots. How it goes up, have that straight upward, and then that locks in that hook. Push that down, and that's locked in. You do that with the rest of them. Put them in, then you get this, and you tighten them all up so they're nice and strong for if you put any heavy stuff in there. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful, and now that you've built it, time to put it to good use. Bye.